I believe the most undervalued way to make money at home online is by far via online sales. Most people think they're not qualified, but whether you have a degree or not, it's what's in your brain and in your mind that matters. Check this out.
Have you ever pondered the secrets behind monetizing online with digital products? It's not as complex as it might seem. In fact, it's a process that can be broken down into simple, manageable steps. Step 1, the inception. Every great digital product starts with an idea. This could be an ebook, an online course, or even a piece of software. The key is to identify a problem that people are facing and then create a product that provides a solution. Step 2, development. This is where you bring your idea to life. It might mean writing your ebook, filming your online course, or coding your software. Whatever it is, ensure it's polished, professional, and truly solves the problem you've identified. Next, pricing. This step is all about understanding the value of your product. Too high, and you might discourage potential customers. Too low, and you won't maximize your profits. Do your research, understand your market, and set a fair price. Step 4, promotion. No matter how great your product is, it won't sell if people don't know about it. Utilize social media, email marketing, and SEO to get your product in front of as many eyes as possible. The final step, sales. This is where all your hard work pays off. Once your product is live and promoted, you can start making money. And the best part? With digital products, the earning potential is virtually limitless. You could be making 3 to 5 figures per month, all from the comfort of your own home. So you see, monetizing online with digital products isn't so daunting after all. It's a journey, a process, a series of steps that lead to financial freedom and success. But what if there was a way to expedite this process, a way to learn from those who've already walked this path and achieved the success you're dreaming of? Well, there is. Introducing the CashFlow Digital Products Sell and Scale Mastermind, a 3-month program designed to take you from idea to income faster than you ever thought possible. Stop wondering, start doing. Join the CashFlow Digital Products Sell and Scale Mastermind today. Your future self will thank you.